favorite May fruit, cherries, has started its season and we are already enjoying the first juicy fruits. Scientists from the Michigan Institute claim that cherries have an extremely anti-infective effect, can relieve arthritic pain, and are a source of antioxidants and melatonin, which can slow down the effect of aging and are useful in the fight against cancer and heart disease. For Wiener's professor Hedmar Bankhofer, they are a natural remedy from wood because they help against rheumatism. The list of substances that coin cherries is long. Vitamin C for the immune system, folic acid for the heart and bloodstream, calcium for bones and iron for the blood. However, the most valuable of all are the plant colors of cherries. The so-called anthocyanidins, because dark cherries contain more color, they are healthier, says Bankhofer. However, we all throw away their stalks, not realizing how healing they are. Save the cherry and sow cherry stalks. Here's why. From them you can prepare excellent teas that can help diseased kidneys and liver. Namely, cherry stalks are very good for the kidneys and urinary tract, and they can also help with sand and kidney stones. Preparation is very simple, but it requires that the stalks are well dried in the sun, and then a handful of stalks are added to a liter of water. And it would be even better to boil the stalks with water. The covered liquid should stand for an hour and then strain. Drink 3 to 4 times a day. You can sweeten the tea with honey. Thanks for watching.